To get started, let me set the stage. Bryte is our AI-powered digital assistant, so think of it as an always available workplace guide. It's designed to help employees, managers, and administrators get quick, accurate answers and support without digging through handbooks, waiting on HR, or searching through multiple help articles. So in just seconds, Bryte can answer everyday employee policy and handbook questions using uploaded company documents, guide users through system tasks and configuration with built-in product help, and even help recruiters with drafting job descriptions and interview questions. And the best part, it's conversational, intuitive, and seamlessly built within the solution. So now that you know what Bryte can do, let's walk through a few real-world scenarios to see how it works in action. So let's get started with taking a look at how a typical employee can engage with Bryte. So imagine I'm an employee who was recently asked to pick up a weekend shift. So naturally, I want to know, if I work on a weekend, how do I get paid? So instead of emailing HR or searching through the handbook, I can just ask Bryte. And Bryte Employee Assist instantly pulls up the answer from my company's uploaded documentation. Or let's say I want to explore opportunities to further my education, and I need to know what the company's tuition reimbursement policy is. So I can simply ask Bryte the question, what is our company's reimbursement policy? And again, Bryte takes me directly to the relevant section of the handbook, saving time and giving me confidence that I have the right information. Now, in addition to company policies, Bryte can also guide users through product help. So for example, if I want to change my direct deposit, I can just ask Bryte. And Bryte searches through built-in user guides and product documentation, giving me step-by-step guidance right away. And finally, let's say I'm not feeling well and I just need to call in sick. So instead of searching through the handbook or emailing my manager, I can simply ask Bryte, who do I contact for attendance? And Bryte instantly points me to the right contact information from our uploaded company documents, so I know exactly who to reach out to without delay. As you can see, Bryte gives employees quick, accurate answers to a wide range of everyday questions, whether it's about policies, benefits, pay, or system how-tos. It saves time, reduces frustration, and improves the overall employee experience by making sure people always know where to turn for answers. Now, managers and admins also have access to Bryte's Employee Assist as well. So for example, as an administrator, I often need to make sure our payroll settings are up to date. So instead of searching through long product guides, I can simply ask Bryte, how do I update the SUTA tax rate? And just like that, Bryte points me directly to the step-by-step guidance in product help so I can make the update quickly and accurately. Now let's say a manager reaches out to me, the administrator, because they're concerned about an employee's attendance and want to confirm our policy. So instead of digging through the documents myself, I can just ask Bryte, what is our attendance policy? And Bryte instantly pulls the answer from our uploaded company documentation. This not only saves me time, but it also ensures managers get quick, consistent, and accurate information to guide their conversations with their employees. So as you can see, Bryte makes life easier for administrators by providing quick answers to both product how-to tasks and company policies. Whether it's walking through how to complete a task in the system or confirming policies for managers from company documentation, Bryte saves time, reduces administrative burden, and ensures consistent, accurate information every time. It becomes a trusted go-to resource that helps admins respond quickly and competently. Now, so far we've focused on how Bryte answers questions and guides users through tasks. But Bryte can also create content to make work easier, and that's where Job Genius comes in, helping recruiters generate job descriptions and interview questions in seconds. So as a recruiter, when I create a new job requisition, I'm going to be prompted to enter in the job description and summary. Now, writing this content from scratch can take time, but with Bryte, it's quick and easy. So all I have to do is click on the Draft with Bryte AI button and let Bryte create it for me. I will simply need to identify the key skills required for this role, and then I can click on the Generate button. And in just seconds, Bryte produces a complete job description. Of course, it's always best practice to review and edit before posting, but Bryte saves me hours of writing. I can also generate a brief job summary based on the requisition content, which is perfect for job board postings. And finally, Bryte also will help me prepare for interviews. I can generate tailored interview questions to support the recruitment and evaluation process. So just like that, Bryte instantly provides a proposed set of interview questions. And what's great is that I can see Bryte's rationale for why it selected those questions. And I can also adjust the interview details to fit my needs. For example, I can adjust how long the interview will be scheduled for, or the topics that I want to evaluate. Once I make those updates, Bryte regenerates the questions based on my selections. And then once I have refined the interview details and I'm happy with the results, I can simply export the questions and begin using them right away in my evaluation process. So as you can see, Bryte takes the heavy lifting out of recruiting by generating polished job descriptions, summaries, and interview questions in seconds. It saves recruiters hours of work, improves consistency across postings and interviews, and lets them spend more time engaging with the right candidates. As you've just seen, Bryte supports employees with everyday questions, helps admins with policies and product tasks, and empowers recruiters with content creation. Across roles, it delivers quick answers and actionable outcomes, saving time, reducing administrative burden, and improving the experience for everyone.